I'll give them hints, nudge, nudge. This may be on one of your pop-up quizzes. I had students say, can you repeat that again? My name is Sabina Greenley, and I am a professor with the Faculty of Social and Community Services. And part of the work that I did was becoming a youth educator with a non-for-profit violence against women organization. The very first thing I do when I am done the end of the day is I walk for a good 45 minutes with my 2 dogs. Love to do things as simple as watch movies, binge with my family, and puzzles. I think the thing that keeps me passionate is that there's real people experiencing real situations behind the black screen. Welcome everyone to week 2. All of you should see this pathway to success. Okay, so under learning materials, I'm going to be in class during class time, but I record my sessions. And so if you're working while I'm in class, I get it. You know, we have bills to pay, including our education. And so being able to access the course at any time is phenomenal. If we're overwhelmed with what we're hearing or in that moment, we can hit pause and come back to it. So does anybody have any questions about today's lesson? I just want to say thank you to our future students. This is the future generation. These are our future professionals. They're the ones who may be helping our moms, our sisters, our brothers, our dads, our friends. They're the future.